Good morning, Mrs. Amelia. How are you today?
Oh, fine, thank you. And you, Mr. Harry?
All good. I've got some fresh tomatoes just picked.
Oh, they look lovely. Give me half a kilo, please.
Of course. Would you like some basil too? It smells wonderful.
Yes, great idea. I'll make pasta with tomato sauce.
Ah, the classic one. And with a drizzle of good olive oil, it's a masterpiece.
Exactly. My grandson loves it.
Here you go. Would you like some peaches too? They're super sweet.
All right, but just two. I already have too much fruit at home.
All right. That's €2.50 in total.
Here you are. Keep the change. Have a coffee on me.
Oh, thank you. Always so kind, Mrs. Amelia.
Well, in this neighborhood, we help each other, right?
Right. That's what keeps life beautiful.
Good evening. Mind if I sit here?
Of course not. Please have a seat.
What a lovely dog you have. What's his name?
His name's Lillo. He's a bit lazy, but very sweet.
Haha, I can see that. He's lying there like a king.
Yeah, he loves sitting in the square watching people.
Who doesn't? There's always something going on here in the evening.
Yes, kids playing, old folks chatting, teenagers laughing.
It's nice to live somewhere where everyone knows each other.
You're right, I come from a big city. Nobody says hello there.
Here, just a smile and you've got a friend already.
So true. Look, Lillo wants to say hi.
Ah, how sweet. Can I pet him?
Sure, he loves gentle pets.
Then I'll give him one extra from me.
Good morning, Jack. Got fresh bread today?
Good morning, Mrs. Jessica. Always fresh, just out of the oven.
Ah, smells amazing. Could I have a small loaf, please?
Sure. Would you like some breadsticks too?
No, thanks. But maybe something sweet. Those cookies look delicious.
They've got almonds in them. My wife makes them.
Then I'll take 3. Perfect with tea this afternoon.
Great idea. With this weather, a cup of tea is perfect.
Yeah. It's been raining for 2 days, but at least the smell of bread never changes.
True. In this neighborhood, the bakery is the heart. Without it, something's missing.
You're right, Jack.
Exactly. Here's your bread, still warm.
Ah, wonderful. Thanks, and have a nice day.
You too, Mrs. Jessica.
What a beautiful moon tonight.
Yeah, it looks bigger than usual.
Oh, good evening. I didn't see you on the balcony next door.
Good evening. Yes, just getting some fresh air.
Me too. After a long day, it feels good to breathe.
You're right. And the neighborhood is so quiet at night.
Just a few voices in the distance and the smell of flowers.
You know, when I was a kid, in summer everyone used to talk from their balconies.
Yes, I remember that too. People laughed, told stories.
Now everyone just looks at their phone.
Yeah, true, but at least we're looking at the moon.
Exactly. It's better than television.
Well then, good night, and good moon.
Good night to you too, balcony neighbor.
Good morning. My bike's making a weird noise, I think, from the back wheel.
Let's see. Maybe it's just the chain.
I hope so. I use it every day to get to work.
Yeah, everyone around here rides a bike. It's quick and easy.
Exactly. And with this sunshine, cycling's a joy.
There we go, all fixed. Just a bit of dust in the chain.
Ah, perfect. How much do I owe you?
Nothing. This one's on the house, but come back for a checkup, okay?
Thanks so much. I'll stop by next week with a pastry.
Deal. Happy cycling.
Good morning. I'd like to have these boots fixed. The sole's coming off a bit.
Let's see. Yes, nothing serious. I'll have them ready for tomorrow.
Perfect, thank you. They're my favorites. I've had them for years.
You can tell they're comfy. Good boots last a lifetime.
You're absolutely right. I like fixing things instead of throwing them away.
That's the spirit. It's like giving new life to an old friend.
Ah, what a lovely thought. I'll leave the magic to you then.
Leave it to me. Tomorrow afternoon, they'll be good as new.
Thanks a lot. See you tomorrow, Master of Shoes.
Ha ha, too kind. See you tomorrow.
Oh dear, another 10 minutes late. That's the third time today.
Yeah, this train's got a reputation. Always running late.
Maybe it just needs a coffee. Like me.
Ha! I had one earlier. Awful stuff. Tasted like burnt plastic.
Good thing I didn't bother then. Do you take this train often?
Pretty much every week. I go visit my folks. You?
Heading back to university. My lecture starts in an hour. But at this rate, I'll never make it.
I know the feeling. Missed an exam once because of this line.
No way. What did your lecturer say?
Said the train excuse was getting old. Luckily, he let me retake it.
How kind of him. Let's hope it's just 10 minutes today. Not 30.
Fingers crossed. If it's on time, I'll buy you a proper coffee, not that station stuff.
Deal. But if it's late again, Coffee's on me.
Deal.
Oh, look, miracle. It's actually here.
Guess it's my turn to buy.
Promise? But come on, or it'll leave without us.
Right. Let's go.